The world has entered the fourth industrial revolution. A revolution that brings the automation of production processes and collaborative robots. But we have already seen far more. Imagining a future where innovative technologies and human talent are as one. A future where latest generation collaborative robots work alongside line operators. Where production systems are interconnected and monitored in real time by all the staff. Where human work is not replaced but assisted by machines. This is why we've set up a groundbreaking industry, creating value for the territory. Doubling our factory size while remaining CO2 neutral. Lamborghini introduces the new Manifattura Lamborghini. The first Industry 4.0 able to raise the quality of Italian craftsmanship is no longer impossible. Since we made it possible.
Signore e signori, questa è la Urus.
Dovevamo sviluppare un veicolo che fosse in grado di muoversi in una strada normale, in un centro città oppure in una pista, mettendo allo stremo acceleratore, freni, sospensioni e quanta altra parte dinamica del veicolo.
Urus is a super SUV because it's a super sport car in a different configuration. It's a true Lamborghini carrying out the DNA of Lamborghini in terms of design, in terms of technical innovation, and above all in terms of emotional driving experience that only our cars can provide to our customers. The spirit of innovation that has characterized always Lamborghini's history is confirmed also in this new product. Urus has the roots in the LM002 1986, the first pinnacle, the first experience with that kind of car, and now we exploit the continuity, making sure that this car will have a different usage, different possibility for our customer. Urus means for Lamborghini a lot of things. First of all, it's a point of no return in terms of growth, in terms of dimension, in terms of presence of our brand in the sector of the automotive industry. So it's a great challenge, great investments, a lot of people that are coming in, new markets, doubling the size of the volume in the next 2 years. So it's an incredible experience. We live with an incredible enthusiasm. All the women and men here in Lamborghini understand that, and we are already projected into the future.
touch with the rest of the world is no longer impossible, since they made it possible. Building a futuristic city in the desert is no longer impossible, since they made it possible. Discovering new planets able to host life is no longer impossible, since he made it possible. Deciphering the code of life is no longer impossible, since they made it possible. Setting up an accommodation company without any property, or a music platform without producing music, is no longer impossible, since they made it possible. Building a car able to open new roads and possibilities is no longer impossible, since we made it possible. Lamborghini introduces Urus. The super sport utility vehicle is no longer impossible, since we made it possible.